Ever want to keep your private messages out of sight on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you few easy way to hide Google messages without installing anything complicated. The steps are beginner friendly, quick to follow and can help you add an extra layer of privacy. Let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then swipe the home screen to open the app door. Here you can swipe right or left to find the Messages app. Once you found them, tap to open it. After open the Google Messages app, here you can see the all of conversation listed there, such as SMS, any other thing available. If you found the exact message or conversation if you want to hide, simply tap on hold it. After selecting the text or messages, then look for the top menu bar. Find the archives bar, tap on it once and automatically hide the messages. If you are any way to other way to hide these messages, don't panic. Simply swipe the messages left to right or swipe the messages right to left and automatically hide them. If you find the hide messages on your phone, or to check it, simply tap on your Google profile icon in the same menu. After that, find the archive option, tap to open it. Here you can see all of hidden messages listed there. I hope this guide made things easier for you. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I will see you in the next time. Take care.